Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? That's great. Okay, do you know what will happen if you throw leave, a football and a gas balloon in the air? क्या होगा अगर आप एक पत्ता जो है उसको या एक फुटबॉल को या एक गैस का जो बैलून होता है उसको हवा में फेंकें तो क्या होगा? लीव जो है शायद वो बहुत स्लो नीचे आएगा, फुटबॉल बहुत तेज़ी के साथ, और जो गैस बैलून है वो क्या होगा? वो ऊपर चला जाएगा हवा में. ओके, सो आई हैव टू थिंग्स इन माई हैंड, अ स्ट्रॉ एंड अ ग्लास. What do you think is more lighter and why? Okay, so can you tell that a glass of water will be more heavy or an empty glass? Okay, so look at this table in front of me. You can see a book and a glass. What takes up more space on this table? This book or this glass? I see that you are so interested to know the answers, but before we go to the answers, let's learn the new terminologies from this exciting chapter. So keeping the questions in mind that I just asked, can you guess the name of the chapter? Good, that's so intelligent of you. Our chapter name is Properties of Matter. Yes, properties of matter, properties of matter, properties of matter. Okay, and what is our rule? We always start our new lesson with new terminologies. Yes, so today we will learn and we will know about the new terms from the chapter Properties of Matter. So are you ready, guys? Okay, so if I will say a new term 3 times, then you have to repeat the same word with me 2 times. Okay, understand? Okay, fine. So our first terminology is mass. Mass, mass. Okay, repeat it with me. Mass, mass. Okay, our next terminology is precipitation. Precipitation, precipitation. Repeat it with me. Precipitation, precipitation. Good. Our next term is volume. Volume, volume. Okay, repeat it with me. Volume, volume. Okay, our next terminology is condensation. Condensation, condensation. Okay, the next term is evaporation. Evaporation, evaporation. Okay, repeat it with me. Evaporation. Good. Evaporation. Okay, fine. So now I will tell you all the terms one by one and we will show you the pictures of the new terms. Okay, so our first terminology is mass. Okay, so what is mass? A large body of matter with no definite shape is called mass. Like कोई भी एक बड़ी body matter, कोई भी जिसकी कोई definite shape ना हो, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Mass. Like ये word किससे निकला? Massive से. So the next terminology is volume. So what is volume? The amount of space that a substance or object occupies. Like ये जो glass है, आप देखें कि अगर हम इसको टेबल पर रखते हैं तो ये स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करता है, तो ये क्या है? वॉल्यूम. या ये बुक है, अगर हम इसको किसी जगह पर रखेंगे तो ये स्पेस को क्या करेगी? ऑक्यूपाइड करेगी. तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? इस चीज़ का वॉल्यूम कहेंगे. ओके, सो our next terminology is precipitation. So what is precipitation? Water that falls from the clouds towards the ground, especially as rain or snow, is called precipitation. यानी कि जो पानी ऊपर बादलों से नीचे की तरफ गिरता है, ख़ास तौर पे बारिश की सूरत में, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेसिपिटेशन. ओके फाइन. सो आवर नेक्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज evaporation. So students, what is evaporation? Okay, let me explain you. The process of a liquid changing to gas, especially by heating, is called evaporation. Evaporation. Okay, our next terminology is condensation. So what is condensation? The drops of water that appear on cold windows or other surface as a result of hot air or steam becoming cool is called condensation. While you are traveling in the car, आपने देखा होगा कि sometime आपका जो window है उसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा bubbles आ जाता है. So this is called condensation. Okay, so आज हमने 5 न्यू टर्मिनोलॉजीज इस चैप्टर से पढ़ी हैं और हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर. ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट टर्म इज मास, देन वॉल्यूम, प्रेसिपिटेशन, कंडेंसेशन एंड इवेपोरेशन. सो यू हैव टू वॉच दिस वीडियो at least 2 to 3 times to understand these terminologies. And what is your home assignment for today? Your home assignment for today is you have to write all the terminologies in your copies. You have to learn the spellings. और जो मैंने आपको एक सिंगल लाइन डेफिनेशंस बताई हैं इसकी, ये आपने इन कॉपीज़ के ऊपर राइट करके then you have to take a picture and you have to submit this page to your teachers. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet again with another interesting activity. Allah Hafiz.